Hi everybody, Bill here. Hey, today we're going to review the skidding tongs from Garvee. This is a 4-claw, 28-inch model, and they do have a larger 36-inch model. It has a 300-degree swivel, heavy-duty steel design, and has a very good anti-slip claw. Let's take it out and see what it can do. Straight line winds recently damaged some of my fruit trees and timber trees, and we're going to use that today to skid them out to my firewood pile or pull them out of the ground. In this case, we're going to try to pull this apple tree out using this skidding tongs. This is kind of an inaccessible area. I can't get in with my backhoe, so I thought this would be a good test for the tongs. And it seemed to do a pretty good job, didn't it? Now, let's go into some bigger timber that's damaged. That's funny around here, the trees, they break off at the top third. So we're going to pull this one down. This was damaged probably a year ago. It's nice to be able to use the tongs to get into areas where you can't get the tractor, grapple, or whatever into. So using the grapple here now, after trimming the trees off to the meat that I wanted of the log, I'm going to simply drag the logs over to my cutting area and cut them up for firewood. Seems like the claw has a pretty good bite, as it demonstrated right there. Flipped around and bit right back in. And then here's the largest branch of the bunch. It pulled it right out of the woods. Very nice. So be sure and check out Garvee.com and use the discount code BILL10 and they'll knock 10% off for you. Alright, we'll talk to you soon. Check out my longer video at Bill Burkhart Today in Iowa.